Welcome back to ByteBoardroom. I'm Mintiul. In part 1, we broke down why the dream of a self-organizing AI workspace failed. We uncovered the messy reality of unstructured data and the organizational debt that trips up even the most advanced AI. If you missed it, I highly recommend watching that first. Today, we're moving from the problem to the solution. The failure of AI to magically organize our chaos doesn't mean AI is useless. It means we've been asking it to work without a brain. Now, we're going to build that brain. The paradigm has shifted. The question is no longer, where do I file this? But what is this file about, and how does it connect to everything else? The answer lies in the resurgence of structure, starting with the most fundamental layer, metadata. Metadata is simply data about data. Think author, creation date, keywords, and access rights. It might sound boring, but rich metadata dramatically improves search accuracy and relevance. One study showed that using rich metadata helped a text-to-SQL system achieve 84.5% accuracy, far outperforming systems that used only basic information. Metadata is the semantic bridge that helps AI understand your query's intent. But we can go deeper. Beyond simple tags, we can build knowledge graphs and ontologies. If metadata is like labeling books in a library, a knowledge graph is like creating a detailed map of how every concept in every book is related. An ontology defines the rules of those relationships. For example, it can define the relationship between a project, its team lead, and the deliverables. This allows an AI to perform true reasoning. It can infer facts that aren't explicitly stated, which significantly reduces hallucinations and improves the quality of its answers. This leads to a fascinating paradox. The more we want to automate knowledge work with AI, the more human intellectual work is required to structure the knowledge for that AI. The goal of set it and forget it AI is a fantasy. Effective AI doesn't replace the information organizer. It elevates them to the role of an information architect. Now, let's talk about the biggest black hole of modern knowledge, conversations. So much valuable information decisions, solutions, ideas is born in Slack or Teams and then disappears into the void. This is a form of organizational forgetting. The old model was do the work, then document it. This no longer works. It creates friction, and in a fast-paced environment, the documentation step is always skipped. The new paradigm is in workflow capture. The workflow is the new filing cabinet. We need systems that capture knowledge at the moment of creation, right inside the conversation. This could be an AI that automatically summarizes a thread and suggests adding it to a knowledge base, or a simple, consistent team process for flagging key decisions. I know what the boardroom is thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. What's the ROI? Let's talk numbers. McKinsey found that knowledge workers spend 20% of their time one full day a week just looking for internal information. For a company of 1,000 employees, that's a $12 million annual cost in wasted time. Conversely, a good enterprise search system can cut that search time by 30 to 60%. One bank achieved a 750% ROI in the first year of implementing a data catalog just from time savings. But many organizations fail to see this value because they measure the wrong things. They track vanity metrics, like the number of documents in a knowledge base. Who cares if you have 10,000 useless articles? A database with 100 relevant, easy-to-find documents is infinitely more valuable. The true measure of success is impact. Did the user find the answer? How quickly? Did it prevent a support ticket? Did it accelerate a project? The investment in curation must be justified in the language of these outcome-based metrics. This reframes organizing from a chore into a strategic business driver. So, where does this leave us? AI is not our replacement. It's our partner. But it's a partnership that requires a new role for us, the knowledge curator. Our mission as curators is to draw the map that the AI will use to navigate our world. We structure the knowledge, we guide the AI, and we foster a culture of capturing value before it disappears. True organizational intelligence isn't just about automated outputs. It's born from the intentional partnership between human insight and machine efficiency. The organizations that invest in their human curators will be the ones that win. Thank you for joining me on ByteBoardroom. I'm Mintiol, and I hope this helps you connect your model minds to real boardroom results. See you in the next video.